Hey everyone, my name is Mason Blaisdell. I'm a realtor here with Mark Martin & Company in the greater Austin, Texas area. And I've got Kristin Clardy from Network Funding on with me. She's helped lots of my buyers come and get mortgage loans. She's been excellent and nothing but good things to say. So I'm super happy and excited to have you on. And she's got 5 tips to prepare you for a mortgage. If this is something that you're thinking about, these are 5 best ways that she could recommend for you to prepare.
Creating a budget, knowing what you feel comfortable paying monthly on your mortgage is very important. So if you like to go out to eat a lot and you have extra spending things, count those into your budget and make sure you still have enough left over for the mortgage payment when you're ready to do it. If not, you got to make some tweaks in that year or two and make sure that you're saving and able to make your mortgage payment. So the second thing that I recommend is keep a close watch on your credit. If you're keeping your credit balances at 30% or less of the maximum limits, that's going to help your score. Really keeping that credit score healthy during the time that you're preparing to purchase a house is going to help you when you're ready to buy, because having the better credit score gives you the best interest rate. So I definitely recommend not overusing credit and being very responsible with your credit while preparing. The third tip that I recommend is having 2 years of employment in the same line of work. And this one comes up all the time. People change jobs or change careers and they do very well, but they don't qualify for a mortgage. So in order to qualify, you have to be in the same line of work for 2 years. Now, there are exceptions to the rule there. If you took a hiatus, had a baby and stayed home and took a leave of absence, we can count that gap, but you're going back into work in the same line. So it is very important to have 2 years of continuous employment in the same line of work. The fourth thing I recommend is saving for a down payment. Now, you don't have to save 20% to be ready to buy, although if you do have 20% to put down, you won't have mortgage insurance. On your first home, you can get into a conventional loan with as little as 3% down, or FHA with 3.5% down. There's also USDA and VA financing at 100%. So for those, you don't need a down payment. There are down payment assistance options available, but you'll pay a little bit of a higher interest rate and a little bit higher in closing costs. So if you can budget and save for the down payment, that'll save you a little bit of extra money. And the fifth thing that I recommend is contact your lender. Contact me whenever you are getting ready or thinking about purchasing your first home, or maybe even moving up into a next home. It's always good to talk with a lender about what your credit profile looks like so we can make sure you're ready to buy.
So I want to thank Kristin again for taking the time to come out and give these to us. Seriously, especially that last point. Make sure that's something you're doing. You want to keep up with them 3 months, 6 months out. Let them know. Let them know you're doing. There's still time at that point to move things around in your credit, move things around in your debt, to make sure we can get you the best interest rate, the best deal on your new home possible. So please do make sure. Kristin, where can people find you?
Call me at 512-921-6055. I would love to speak with you.
She's also licensed in 18 different states, so she can help you even if you're outside of Texas. And if you are in the Austin, Texas area, the greater Austin surrounding area, and you're thinking about buying or selling, I'd love to help you out, answer any questions you have, and see about getting you into your next home or your first. Again, reach out to me. My number is 512-983-7331. I'd love to help you out in any way that I can. But anyways, one more time, thank you so much to Kristin. We appreciate your time so much, and we will see you guys in the next one.